Hey everybody, Max with Mike's Off-Road here. Today we've got this beautiful 2020 Chevrolet Silverado, of course in gray. Fantastic looking truck, already rode great, and the customer wanted some larger tires, maybe a little bit more height on the road, so we sold him a rough country kit. Let's take a look at some of the components underneath here. So to start it all off here, of course you can't miss this huge 3.5-inch fully lifted Vertex strut by Rough Country. Of course the Vertexes do have with a reservoir up top here that mounts to this bracket that goes to the top bolts. Beautiful style, very, very clean. And of course we have the forged aluminum Rough Country upper control arms. Very, very tough, rebuildable ball joint. You don't see that very often with these lift kits, but that's why we try to sell our Rough Country stuff, because it is some of the best of the best. So obviously we can't forget about the rear here. Let's start things off. First, here's your Vertex shock. Almost 12 inches of full travel in this shock absorber. Very, very nice. And again, here's your reservoir, which actually piggybacks off of the actual shock absorber. Again, braided steel line, beautiful job done by Rough Country. And these rear are also adjustable. So it makes for a lot smoother ride when you're transitioning from a soft road to maybe a gravel or heavy pitted road. And then next we have this 3.5-inch lift block, which is welded fully. It's high carbon steel, very, very nice powder coat job done on it. And they give you a beautiful set of high gloss U-bolts that are just the absolute perfect length in case you want to add any more lift in the rear. So to finish this project off, we aligned it, we did caster correction because of the lift kit, and we towed it perfectly. If you're looking to add big tires, make your truck taller, or anything, please come on down to Mike's Off-Road. We'll get you hooked up.